Lily starts off with this nice point on a rooster. I was impressed with how patient she was as she zeroed in on the bird.
That's a good girl. Let's see what we can find. Oh. Maybe that hole there. Okay, let's see what we got here. It's a girl. Oh, there it is right there.
Here we catch up with a rooster that Charlie flushed earlier. He's getting birdie, and I can tell there's something in the area. I give him a whoa when I see the bird running past him.
Whoa, whoa. There's a girl.
As you know by now, I always love seeing my dogs honoring each other's points.
Look at that. There it is. It's right there.
Lily has a point here at the top of the hill, and of course, her big sis doesn't believe her. She's got to check it out for herself.
Lily's got one. Whoa!
Thanks again for watching, liking, subscribing, and God bless. And here's another hunting video I'm sure you'll enjoy.